All right, are we live? Can you guys hear me? Internet's back. We're back. What up? What is up, Silver, Dustin? How you doing? Swiftcoin acting like XCN. Smash the likes and subscribe. What's up, Slava? Swift, squeeze it, guys. What's up, Hamid? Justin's in the house. God, T13. Joe's back. The Awkward Farmer's back. CD's back. What's up, No Whack? How you doing, my man? What's up, XRP Ricky? IS Mo. Yeah, we're getting some coins moving. Loud and clear, says Links. How you doing, my man? All right, what are we looking at? What's up, Dave? Yeah, we're getting some of these coins waking up. Not bad. I mean, Ethereum's not moving, but we're having some of these Ethereum coins starting to move. What's up, Real Reality? Rob's in the house. Yeah, I heard DGen is bouncing. He says Toshi to the moon. Let me switch the music. We listen to the same one all the time. We added some more, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, Spell Token from the bottom is waking up. That's good to see. What else is moving? Yeah, Swiftcoin broke over the levels we were looking at, so Swiftcoin's looking good. I'm still really wanting to get in on that ACS coin. I just don't have any money yet. I need XCN to go. Oh, look at this. DGen faked us out. She's holding our box and our 3-2 and everything. It wicked down on the candle on the week, and now she's back. So nothing to worry about. DGen is still bullish. Holding perfectly in our box. So yeah, DGen needs to get over 1 to be bullish again. Short term. You can see the 382 and the 0.5. It needs to move up 55%, and then we can be bullish on it. Yeah, DGen got bought back up. What is Bitcoin doing? Are we doing anything? I haven't even looked at it today. Bitcoin's still getting stuck, but it's still there. Ethereum's still just holding over 382, bullish over 31. Yeah, Toshi. A lot of the base coins are taking off, and the Ethereum wallets are starting to go up. I was watching a Vision stream earlier, and he was pointing out that the Ethereum wallets are starting to spike in. And that could be because people are piling onto Coinbase and Coinbase wallet buying these base coins like Toshi and Mochi and what's the other one? Carlo and all of the base coins. Yeah, I just did an update on Toshi. Toshi doesn't look bad here. She's been running for a little bit. Came all the way up to the 1414 at 2.3 and got stuck, but the volume that's coming in on this thing is ridiculous. So I think these base coins are going to continue to run. So if this thing can hit a 4 billion market cap up to a penny, it's another 6.5x. No, it's not alt season yet. I just put the poll up. Till the dominance drops and Ethereum moves. There's no alt season, but we're seeing coins start to move. I think people are piling into Coinbase right now. That's why we're seeing some of these coins start to go up. We got Nowak for 5. I appreciate that. He says thoughts on Roost on base, possibly waking up 1.69. All right, we'll look at Roost. Yeah, I need to get some. I need some base coins to look at and possibly buy, but I need XCN to move. Let me bring up Deck Screener. I don't have Deck Screener open yet. I appreciate the 5. Roost on base, he says. 3-day chart on Roost. What do you say? 1.6, 1.7 billion market cap. Or 1.6. Let's switch this over to Deck Screener. Yeah, this ain't gonna work. I gotta move this. All right. All right, over on Deck Screener. So let's see what Roost is. Another coin waking up. Yeah, 3-day chart, log scale. $1.6 million, 86,000 holders. Not bad. Down at the bottom still. It's waking up. What is this? Yeah, it needs to get over 0022. The bottom is in and bullish over 44. What am I looking for? Oh, that's nice. This one just runs up to a 786. You're getting a 18x to 3 pennies, and if it goes for a new high, 190x. Oh, that's what I need. I need XCN to pump already. So if you throw $50 on this one, you're getting $9,500 if it goes all the way up there. I mean, this time it's different. Maybe altcoin season's going to run without Ethereum. Maybe Ethereum's dead. BTC's crushing us right now. Everyone please hit the like button. We got 60 people in here from YouTube. And yet again, 245 on Twitter. Nice to see how you guys doing over on Twitter. What are we looking at? Toshi or Roost? Yeah, Roost is a good one here. Roost. I'm gonna have to remember that one. Let me write it down. Someone let me borrow a pencil. Roost on base. Let's switch back over. It's annoying having to switch over all the time. But yeah, Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin's not doing anything. It's not really dumping. It's still getting stuck. Still potentially in the bull flag, whatever you want to call this here. It looks like it needs a monthly. Yeah, it needs to get a monthly candle for 103. 5 days left to accomplish that. It needs to do it now. Yeah, we'll go look at these other coins. Until the dominance comes down, the dominance still going up. Oh, the DXY's dying. Oh, the DXY topped out. That's what we need. We need the DXY to come down and the Bitcoin dominance to come down. But we need ETH to move also. But like I said, who knows? ETH isn't moving, so let's see what XCN did. Yeah, I just did another update on XCN. It's doing the same exact thing. Weekly candle here, large move, and then we went up. Almost a perfect match on the candles. But we'll take it down. Let's see if it's holding the 382 here. So where did we draw this at? I don't remember. Yeah, 383 is your price, 382 to be bullish. But it looks like we're doing the same thing we did back here. We dropped down and then we went. So as of right now, it's still bullish, but there's no one buying in right now. Yeah, low to the high on this one, it almost did the same thing. Just below the 382, held the 236, and then we went. So she's still holding bullish over 3.3. People are just selling right now for some reason. But that's what they've been doing, selling and buying back in. So this would be it. We started the stream, time to go up. Let me check the chat. What's up, Stone Santa, Scott, Choice? I can't tell you if to hold or sell, my man. Not financial advice. He says DXY didn't top. Probably not, but it's coming down. Can you do sniffed if it passes 0.5 mark? What is sniffed? What's up, Hood Rich? Did we look at sniffed? I don't know what that is. This thing? What the hell? Yeah, you always want to look at these coins that have these crazy looking charts. This looks just like your VBA coin. 3-day, the momentum is clearly down. You're sitting right on the 382, low to the high, so it's trying to stay bullish over 3. Yeah, if it breaks over 5, which you can see it's clearly trading in a large channel, just like that other one. But if you can hold bullish over 3, if it gets over 5, then next stop would be 8. $147% move, and if it's going to make a new high, as we went over last time, 23 to 24 cents for 7x. But oh, excuse me, she's trying to hold bullish right now. Let's see. Yeah, down below, low to the high 382 that you're holding. So you're kind of getting squeezed between the 382s at the moment. You already hit the 0.5, so that's good. So I'd keep it simple, just as long as it holds 3. If it loses that 618, that's a 236. I can't talk today, but yeah, if it falls below support, it's going to drop 28%. The RSI is below 50, not a good look. The XY is going to 12. He says, what do you think of Spell? Yeah, Swift and Spell is what everyone's talking about, but the fact that XCN, now Swift coin's going, now Spell starting to wake up, Hold on. Yeah, and the fact that the base coins are going, it seems to be everyone's getting in on Coinbase. I wonder if the Coinbase wallets are going up, like the Ethereum wallets. But yeah, Swiftcoin, she pushed through. She didn't double top like we were looking at. She got over 1.6 and 2.3. So one by one, these coins are going. But yeah, Swiftcoin's been in accumulation for so many years. This thing's probably gonna fly like real hard. So Swiftcoin may go harder than we think. Maybe, I don't know. But as long as you're over the 1.4 and 4 at 23, 40 is your next stop, another 34%, and then up to 10, almost $1 billion market cap, 250%. Tomorrow's Monday, so maybe the whole market will wake up. Yeah, Swiftcoin's starting to leave the station. Spell's doing the same thing. That's why I need XCN to hold up and can start moving again. I needed another large pump on XCN. But yeah, Spell looks good here. Broke the high, made a higher high, broke this high. Hopefully we don't see these things top out and come back down to the trends as we've been looking at. That would be horrible. But yeah, Spell, as long as you're above a 1.2, you're bullish, and if we take it down a notch, bullish over 0.014, we're at 1.6 at the moment. Once we get over 0.002, we're bullish, and maybe that's when it'll just start going. Is there any other coins moving? And also XPR. What is XPR on? Anybody XPR on Coinbase or no? XPR loaded up 300k tokens. Not bad. What's up, Maddie? Amp is next with the Clovens. But yeah, what are we on? Spell. Even on Spell, if we go from all the way back here, if I get this to work, from this high back here to the low on Spell, you can see we're way above the 786 here. So this kind of tells you it's breaking out here. Turbo, what is Turbo doing? Did she finally find a bottom? No, Turbo's still coming down. We're looking at this 0.05 level, so she's still bearish right now. Turbo is. She could hit either of these levels for a bottom and still be macro bullish because of the structure, the higher highs and higher lows. So another 8 to 9% drop to 5.3, and then your last ditch to stay alive, your last hope, 30% drop to 0.04. Excuse me, but Turbo doesn't look bullish at the moment. Degen got held back up. XRP still holding up. Yeah, so it may be a good idea to look at some of these Coinbase coins, which we cover a whole bunch of them, low market caps on the channel here. AVT, SUKU, what else is there? Math, Fort. I haven't looked at those in a while. All right, AJS is going to get timed out here for spamming. Yeah, when they're spammed in the comment, it makes it hard to read now because I can't see all the other comments. Cryptics moved. Love Taylor. That was fun. I got to put someone in timeout. See if he comes back. Yeah, I would say Toshi's still bullish right now. You said you did a timeout, so people, I just saw that. Yeah, I just did one. Where we got spam coming in. Yeah, we already looked at Toshi, so Malin and Carlos Vega, you got to calm down. See, now I can't even see what to look at because... Yeah, we looked at Toshi. If you go on the deck screener, the volume's out of control. Toshi's been bullish for a very long time. And every time we look at her, she's going up. So the only simple thing we can do, we'll go here to the 3-day candle or the daily candles. We'll go from the low to the wick high where it got stuck at that 1414 and just simply go low to the high. And as long as you're above 001, you're bullish. If we pull it up to this pullback, yeah, you got to stay above 001. If you do not, then it's probably pulling back down to the high at 0085. So if the run is over and this thing's not going back up for a little bit, then yeah, you're going to crash 37%. So maybe the price comes down, back test the high, holds, and then it goes up at some point in the future. Yeah, come on now. What's happening? This stupid automatic button is ridiculous. But yeah, Toshi here is probably going to hit this 4 billion market cap to a penny, and then possibly 2 pennies for a 13x, and then we'll just take it from there. Right now, I got stuck at the 1414, so the price to beat 16 up to 23. I think that's the same exact prices we set on Swift Coin, and she blew through them. But you got to learn to take profit. I know you guys don't like to hear that, but if you don't take profit when these things move up, there's no telling what they're going to do. CTX was moving, he says. Oh, CTX woke up too. Held the supports, and she's starting to go. She's trying to hold the 3 too at 373. So yeah, these Coinbase coins are starting to wake up here. If you can hold and stay bullish, next stop up is 6 for a 63% move. But yeah, this is what we've been looking for. We've been saying this for, it seems like weeks now, that everything needs to bounce already. Everything's coming down to support. Everything's hitting bottoms. BTC's not moving. What are y'all talking about? DGen looks good again. What's up, Diego? Aerodrome? No, we didn't do Aero. What's up, Shadow? I'm trying to see who came in. Edward, how much have you made from trading? Talking to me, nothing yet. I got sent a little bit of Tether by Shah, and I put that on XCN, so I'm hoping for a pump. Hopefully I didn't kill it. I just need one good pump out of XCN, next leg up, but she's still holding, so I'm holding out hope. I guess I need to go down to the small time frames to watch the BTC dump. Yeah, if you look at the weekly candle simply is getting stuck at the 1272. So we'll go down here and give you a price to watch for this thing to come down to. So we'll just keep it real simple. Bitcoin, most recent little low. So it looks like you're coming down to 101. So hold your nose, she's coming down. One 1%, 2%. The only case I would really worry about the market in Bitcoin is if Bitcoin goes all the way back to 90K. Bitcoin. So yeah, what are the other? Yeah, you guys need to have a strat. I don't know if you guys have a plan, a price, or you're going to sell something at, but you got to stick to your game plan. If you don't, that's how you get just chopped up big time. ETH utility coins are pumping in preparation for ETH. I don't know what ETH is. This cycle is going to be one of the best. I hope so, Mo. Yeah, I would imagine AERO, all these coins, like I keep saying, all these coins on Coinbase that we've been watching forever. Even AERO, even Fort here. Fort is another one that has not done anything. I think this is the first bull market on a big exchange. So Fort, just like Swift, it may run harder than we think. It's been accumulating for 2022. So when these coins wake up on Coinbase, they're going to have these big candles spawn in like XCN. So you're on the bottom for Fort here at 10. If you ever wanted to buy it, this is probably the bottom. Doesn't have to be, but same thing with SUKU and Velo and AERO. They all just hit their bottoms. So even though we say it's not bullish at all, it's been going sideways forever and it hasn't done anything. And if the world's going to pile into Coinbase, then I would imagine these coins are going to run, which we already know they are. All right, let me switch this music again. But yeah, she's back down on the trend here. Right at the 0.5, it is starting to come down a little bit. I guess any coin that's dropping right now is just following BTC. Oh, we already got that drawn. So there's really nothing else to draw unless we want to go to different spots. But if you can hold back over 97, you're good. Oh, we also have the 618 here. There we go. Found your hope. 98 could be the bottom. But it's right here on the trend, right on the bottom. Thus, the market's about to break down big time, and that's why some of these coins are having little relief rallies. Could be the case, but here on the 3-day chart, RSI is way below 50. We had a bearish cross. So this tells us the move down is still in play. She may go down further. Any lower than 89, then AERO is done for a good while. Really all I can say. Let me get caught up on the chat. Art block. What's up, God? Yeah, ACS is still sleeping. It's on the bottom. It's on Coinbase. I really want to buy it. Okay, we did NOAC. We got Robin the Hood. I appreciate the 199. I appreciate the support. Appreciate that a lot. OXT, XYO, XDZ are all still going to run. All the X coins. Are those all on Coinbase? We got Cryptomyalysis in the house. How you doing, my man? Cryptomyalysis is in the house. You guys go check his channel out too. He does TA videos too. But yeah, I mean, all these coins. We've been covering these coins for what? I guess 2 years now. It's been a long time. What was the other one? Math, Fort, SUKU, Spell. Yeah, is OXT on Coinbase? Oh, there's some other coins too. We need to get a list made up. Because my plan is once something pumps, I get a decent amount, I'm going to rotate. I'm not going to hold these coins because someone says they're going to $1 or $5 or whatever. There's no way I'm doing that again. I'm going to find something like this here, Math. Just on the bottom. Just hit the trend. Looks like it's time to go up for Math. And like I keep saying, one by one, these coins are just going to start lifting off. Math to $1 billion market cap to $5 would be a 23x from where it is now. Yeah, I can already see it. I can see the future. I don't have a crystal ball, but just like we saw with XCN and XPR and ASM, we're not ASM yet, but you get the idea. We're just going to wake up one day and these things are going to just be going up. What did I say? Velo and then OXT. Yeah, Velo still looks extremely good here. Did I miss something? We got Crypt in the house for 2. How's it going, my man? What's up, homie? Where do you think we are pulling back on XCN? 3-3 needs to hold. Yeah, give me your thoughts on this Cryptomyalysis since you do TA. This move down, this rising wedge that is formed on Velo, which I'm very bullish on Velo here, by the way. This is a reversal pattern, huh? Or is this a continuation pattern? This thing's about to break down. Yeah, just looking at it here, it looks good. But he says XCN for 2. Where's XCN going? Yeah, she's right now holding on our support level. Trying to. Yeah, you're just below 3-3, so no, I don't want to see this. Come on, everyone, quit selling this damn coin. But yeah, you could still drop 20% to the 618, backtest our little triangle pattern, and then we'd still be alive. So as long as you're below 3-3, that puts in play 2-5 here. So if it comes down to 2-5, maybe that's where we want to buy back in. I don't know. But I would get worried if it breaks down below the 618 at 2.5 and it starts just breaking down here. Then that's it, probably it. But she didn't quite reach the 786 here. Let's see. Let's get that out of the way. Like I keep saying, it's doing the same thing it did last time. Large candle, large wick. Then of course we know, where is it at? 3-day. Yeah, back here we had another big large triangle pattern. But for a week it went sideways and then we went. If you look at it on the daily, it doesn't look good at all. It looks like it's topping. Oh man. I shouldn't have bought it. Every time I buy a coin, it goes down. I just can't win. We got Crypto Analysis for 5. I appreciate that, my man. Thank you. Yeah, I'm in OXT and Dogelon. OXT is on Coinbase. All right. I appreciate the 5, my man. Yeah, if I ever make any money on anything, I'll get it on Dogelon Mars at some point. It does look bullish. Okay. What do we say? OXT. Yeah, is OXT at the bottom? I don't remember. I don't remember what we did on OXT. Apparently in the triangle pattern, trying to hold up. This thing has wicks all over the place. I don't like that, but over the 236 on the macro, potentially in a continuation pattern. Maybe. It did the same thing back here and then it just broke down. That was all the way back from last April. Yeah, any of these coins on Coinbase that are down here below the 3.2 going sideways, at some point they're going to have a decent run when people pile into them on Coinbase, which it seems to be slowly starting. People are piling back into base coins, Coinbase Wallet. So a 5x up to 53 and potentially OXT to 240, 250. New high would be a 23x. XCN getting listed on Coinbase. It's already on Coinbase. Oh, they just told you that. What's up, Shadow? That dude's back, he says. CTX. Yeah, we looked at CTX. CTX is another coin that's moving right now. Yeah, the Coinbase coins were dead forever, pretty much all coming back down, and then now they're bouncing. So we'll see how things go. Yeah, down below the 3.2 again. So getting stuck. But a nice move off the bottom. I think Velodrome's in the same spot, ain't it? Low market cap Coinbase coin. Yeah, this is what we've been saying on Velo for ever since it moved up. So hopefully this is not telling us what everything's going to do. Because once these things make the higher high, they're coming back to end to put in the higher low. So XCN or Velodrome is still dropping here. 20 to a 33% drop still in play. All right, time to switch this music up again. 100 people on YouTube. I appreciate it. Everyone hit the like button for me. Almost 400 on Twitter watching. Velodrome is not doing nothing. It's stuck at 10 cents. Yeah, she's dropping. Adam says Swiftcoin. Yeah, Swiftcoin pushed through. We've been looking at it on the last couple of live streams. That's what everyone's bullish on right now. Swiftcoin's breaking out. Yeah, Swiftcoin looks good here. Giant weekly candle spawned in. We're going. Maybe this is the next one to pull an XCN off of Coinbase. Yes, they are going to go one by one. But just keep it simple. As long as you're over the 1414, you're bullish. You see the 236 right below it at about 221. And once it breaks over 40, she's going to fly up to 10 cents or 4, and then 10 at that billion market cap. And do a 3.5x, and then we'll just take it from there. But there's so many other coins on Coinbase that you can buy. What was the other ones that are doing nothing? I can't think of where they are. XYO is Ethereum, or yeah, it's US based and part of the Ethereum blockchain. Oh yeah, GFI. What was the other one? Oh, Fox and GFI are the ones we cover all the time here. What is going on? GFI. Yeah, GFI just hit the trend. It's in this other downtrend. I guess that's why we have that here. It broke out, held, and then it fell back into it. So pretty much this thing needs to get over the 382. On Goldfinch, in my opinion, over 195 to be bullish again. And then if we draw high to the low, we're getting stuck right now at the 236. So the bottom's not in until you get over 157, and then the double 382 to be bullish, 195 to $2. But on the plus side, it looks like you just double bottomed. Time to go up. But yeah, GFI here. Where's GFI going? So GFI to, what is that, 32? I think that's the high. This is the best chart we can get according to CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. I could be wrong, but if it comes back up here to give you a billion market cap and a 22x, maybe it makes a slightly higher high and hits 50 bucks. And you get a 34x. But I mean, seeing this thing curl up like this, possibly the next higher high, this thing's going to move up off of the bounce, off the double bottom there. And we'll get a large giant candle, 10x up to 14, possibly next. And if this thing's going to do like XCN and XPR and whatever else is moving, 115x, geez. Got two or three large giant green candles in for the bull run, and that's it. So we'll see. Yeah, not in a bad spot on GFI, I guess. Jorge says, "What I have around $100 to spend with crypto. Who do you guys recommend investing in?" And we see Spell. Slava says, "Good music now." ACH waking up. You put 70K sell order in a short on BTC. Let's see. When to buy spell, he says, has been. Spell, you should have bought spell at the bottom. He said he put a short in on Bitcoin. I can't tell you what to do on that because I'm not a trader. You're down below the 618 at 103, so it looks. We said this earlier. 101's probably going to get hit if it continues to drop. You are also holding the trend here. And then you can also argue that that's it. If that's the bottom of the trend, we're also in this large triangle pattern here. Bitcoin's about to shoot to the upside. Came back down one last time to tag it. And it's time to go to the moon. Yeah, there's your hopium for a bullish move. Large bull flag, and then at the end, a tiny little continuation pattern. Bitcoin's about to spike out of here. 127K is next. He said go buy $100 worth of turbo. Yeah, turbo's still coming down. What were we looking at? XCN. So XCN's still holding up. When is this dude going to buy these coins and stake them? Tomorrow? Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this. It keeps telling me the data, it's got a data issue on XCN. I don't know if it's because it ran hard or what. No real-time data. We're still live, huh? Yeah. But yeah, just it looks like we're holding. I hope we hold. Yeah, we're back above the 3.2. So 3.3 was our price. We went down below it, and then we were looking at the 6.8. Your last hope is if we fall down below, it's getting bought back up 33. And a back test of our pattern down here, back down to 25, would be a 27% drop. But any lower than that 618, then it's probably, I would say, I don't know. Ultimately, as long as we're above the 618 on the macro, it's still good. Don't, pick at the price and zoom in so far. Of course, the 618 would be, and that would form a really large wick, and then that would probably be it. But it's just simply repeating history, in my opinion. We said that back here in this one. We were watching it consolidate in this, waiting for it to break out. It broke out, and we watched it again. Didn't quite do anything, but it held, and then we went again. We got bought like right here. So I got a little decent move, but not good enough now that it's coming back down. I'm ready for this thing to break over 5.5 pennies. Got Slava for 5. I appreciate the support, my man. Good. More good music, please, to your list. Time to switch the song, he says. ENG is dropping. We'll look at it, I guess. Yeah, I added about 10 more songs to the list here. So you like that one. That one was called Ocean Drive. Oh, where did we go? Oh yeah, someone said ACH, PNG, ACH. Is ACH really a good one? Oh, she's up 12%. Double bottom on the 4 hour. Yeah, same thing with ACH here. I'm expecting a large. Once this thing finally gets squeezed and breaks out of here, this large triangle pattern over the 0.5 and 3.4 or 3.8, pretty much 4 pennies. This thing's gonna fly. Yeah, she's moving, but still down below the 3.2. But if you're ever bullish on ACH, you can see the price is slowly getting squeezed on the macro here. You're above the 618, double 3.2 to be bullish again at 259, 26. And you could be bullish, but until it moves, and we just keep getting this here. Just squeezed out of here. ACH is on Coinbase too, I believe. So another good rotation play. I don't know why TradingView's having trouble with live data. But ACH would, if you make money on something else, dump your money into ACH. There's Ethereum Classic. There's pretty much Spell still on the bottom, even though it's moving now. Maybe looking at the Spell's chart. Yeah, I think ACH is going to 50 cents. And then of course you have people say, why? Why do you think that? But yeah, Spell's looking good. Low, high, or high, low. You're over the 786. You're over the low, high 236. The macro 236. Spell looks like it's ready to take off. Not financial advice, but we'll see what happens. But this one here, I keep saying it on every live stream. Oh, she's still holding. She's holding triple support here, by the way. She's mimicking what XCN did. Coinbase coin, low market cap. Holding bullish or not holding bullish? Well, yeah, it is holding bullish. It's over the macro 236 and the smaller 236, as you can see here. So this thing's holding up strong, in my opinion. I hope it doesn't leave without me. What is your trading app? This is TradingView, if that's what you're asking. Dave says PNG is dropping. But yeah, Access, Spell to a degree, ACH. There's so many coins you could dump a decent amount of money in and easily get a 10x. What did you say? Could ACH hit 1 billion market cap? I don't remember what it was on the. I don't remember what it was, but I gotta get out of this chair again. This thing's killing me. $1 billion? Oh yeah. Because my target is here. My original target's 60 cents. I think it's going to work up to 60 into a 30x. But a 4 billion market cap to 50. Yeah, I think ACH is going to absolutely fly out of here when it does. Just by purely looking at the chart. what would that give us? If you were to do a measured move from here, it would be the biggest point to the highest point to the lowest point. And then when we break out, maybe go to 25 cents. But yeah, I think it's going to hit $1 billion market cap. Let's see. Yeah, we only got 94 people here today. We got 426 people on Twitter watching. That's amazing. I appreciate you guys over there. Everyone over there, hit the like button, please. That'll help out. All right, let's switch to music once again. We'll try this one. For anyone that likes metal music. Yeah, GHST is another Coinbase coin, ain't it? Ooh, what is this thing doing? I did an arrow down. This thing is dropping. Yeah, this thing's at the bottom. I would imagine that's a 786 retracement. Let's see here. No, not from there. Yeah, I don't know why that green line's there, but it's there. So any lower than 7.6, this thing's about to fall off the table. Yeah, I don't know why this thing's coming down so hard. But yeah, it's lower than, if it doesn't hold 7.6 here, it just made a lower low. If this little trend does not hold, then this thing's over. So it'll drop back down to 669, 15% drop, and then possibly pull a AERO and just start dying. 50% almost at 41. So this is either the bottom or not. This has to be it. Let's see. Or Ondo. Yeah, we can see XCN's not bullish anymore because there's no one here. Or it's at the bottom too. So we're either going to bounce or we're about to have a Shadow Realm addition to the bottom. Yeah, low to the high, you're down below the 786. The only thing holding you up, it looks like the trend here. If we pull it down to the wick trend, and we could go lower. Yeah, the only thing holding you up right now is this imaginary trend line we do here. We'll leave it there. That's the only thing holding you up. Any lower than 9, then this thing's probably going to go hit a new low, below 7. So just keep that in mind. Our ORD holders. We're going to have another 17% drop, and then if you take that out, new low, 42% drop. Ondo breaking down, or is it holding up? Yeah, so they made an Ondo on Sol, I think, and it went to the moon. My coins are dying. Yeah, she's coming back down. We went over this last night. Used to get over this 148, 149, where you're possibly having play here. Little bull flag action, just like it did here. The price moved down, it moved up, dropped. Same thing it's doing here. It dropped. Little move up, little bear flag forming. It's time to go down again. Yeah, Ondo. High to the low, you got stuck right at the 3-2. So you're not bullish until you get over 141. And needs to stay over 128. The bottom's no longer confirmed in short term, and then it's probably going to drop. Why is this moving that like that? DGen holding up. I know people be asking about it. DGen. Yeah, DGen on the weekly candle, I believe it was, or the 3-day. Well, she looked good earlier holding our box, but I should have left her alone. But it's back above the 3 or the 0072. That's your big price. 7.2. If it ends up closing below 7.2, yeah, a weekly close below 7.2, then it's done. That would be the big thing I would watch. That green line there. And of course, it needs to get back over 8, and then 1 penny to be bullish. And then Jasmine, yeah, Jasmine's okay. Jasmine, like a lot of coins that look the same, isn't a very large inverse head and shoulders pattern, in my opinion. Still holding the 618 here. Low to the high with the pattern here. Your support is 2.5. As long as you can hold that, then possibly getting a bounce up. And then once you break over and get a weekly close over 5, weekly candles got stuck here. So when you get a weekly close over 5, over 382 on the macro, that's when this thing's going to really run. And then Jasmine's next stop would be from here, possibly the bottom 618 retracement, 4.5x to 12. You know, a lot of people are going to sell at 30 to 35 cents. It would be a 10x, 11x to 30, 14 billion market cap potentially. And then the dollar that no one likes, 786, 110, 50 billion market cap for 40x on Jasmine. I mean, 30 cents is right there. It's not a large move at all. A little 10x. I think after all these years of accumulation on Jasmine, and the fact that they have all the coins out, the fact that it has a large community, if Jasmine doesn't hit $1, then don't ever buy Jasmine again. I would say at this stage of the game, it has to hit $1. Who cares if it makes a lot of millionaires? Oh, I gotta get caught up on the chat. What's up, Eldor? I mean, I must have missed the super chat, I think. We got Colin Stewart, new member. I appreciate that, my man. I appreciate the membership. I just need everyone, all 11,000 people to become a member. And then I'll make it in life. We got Colin again for 5. Join the channel. Plan on being here nightly. If you stream every night, solid charts of info. I appreciate the work, my man. I appreciate the 5. Yeah, we've been streaming every day for as long as I can remember. Most of the times in the evening, around this time. But I appreciate the membership, the super chat, and the words, my man. Welcome aboard. Port bottom, potentially. Lots of manipulation going on in crypto. Yeah, that's the way it's always been. Pepe, please. Bitcoin is crashing. He says that's something the pot agreed. Summon it quicker, my man. I'm tired of being broke. Turbo, what else we say? Pepe. I am tired of being broke. Yeah, we did Turbo many times. Turbo's coming down to what? 0053. 2 possible targets on Turbo. Ultimately, Pepe's still holding up. Higher highs and higher lows across the board on the big chart. You're holding the 382 right now, so 136, you're bullish. Oh, it's already 6 o'clock. But yeah, you're trying to hold bullish on Pepe right now, but you can clearly see there's a trend line down here that we've been seeing a lot of lately. These prices tend to go up and make higher highs and then come back and put in my lower or the higher low. So simply any lower than this, I'm going to crawl around and come down to the 144.5 and drop 20%. 1.3 does not hold here. Which 3-day chart, which we've been looking at, is at a bearish cross, and the RSI is below 50. So that tells us that move down is favored, at least from that. Yeah, Pepe doesn't look the greatest at the moment, so you may get a discount down to 10. And then Turbo. I can't wait for Turbo to go up. I'm so tired of talking about Turbo. Oh, she just hit it. She's coming down with Bitcoin. So this is either it or you're going down to 4. Finally hit it. At least it finally hit. What are we on? Weekly. Yeah, I think Turbo's going lower. You have the yellow above the blue moving average here. When the blue's above, you're bullish. Just cross bearish. Just dropping RSI's down here. So that all tells me that this thing wants to just go down. And she's already starting to drop below, so it does appear she's coming down to the final support to save her life, or his life. So if you're waiting to buy in on Turbo, it may drop another 24-25% here, maybe even lower than that with a wick. Turbo's dying, just like Myro. What is Myro doing? Is she still dead? I need to go find the pet cemetery for Myro and Billy. Yep, she's still coming down. I think Myro's, Myro's still coming down to 2. Will Pepe go to 1.6? About $1.6 or 1.6 billion? .6, what are we talking about? Yeah, I don't know what you mean, my man. Talking about a 1.6 billion market cap. I think it's over that, ain't it? On charts. You're talking about bouncing and moving up back to the 618. 1618, I guess that's what you mean. There's no telling. Like I said, the move is favored down right now. Just had the bearish cross. When that occurs, you usually just go down. especially with it pointed down like this, just like back here. The move was down more. So you're probably going down to the trend again, hitting the 101414.5. More likely than not. Yeah, I would say a move down is more likely than a move up at the moment. He says, "Ball, should I sell? Should I sell Spell now? Bought it on 0016. AERO is cooked. I agree." He says the beat is fire. Still early on TOSHI. Yeah, tell me, God, that XCN is moving back up. And we already went through all 10 songs I added. Here's the last one. What are we looking at? Oh yeah, Spell, he said. Yeah, but we'll look at Spell again. I don't know. You may sell and then Spell is going to go to the moon. Yeah, we're still holding over the 382. Back up, need to get back over 3.8, and then maybe we'll get a good breakout. But just like back here, let me turn the moving averages off. Oh yeah, the buying's starting to come in. Look at this little bar starting to rise. Come on, let's pile into XCN. What am I looking at? Oh, yeah, like we did last time, we ended up doing this, just drawing a little triangle. Now that it made a top, and then now apparently a bottom off of that wick. So maybe yet again we're gonna crawl around. We'll see, but we're still technically short-term bullish. And we're gonna go hunt down the Spell chart. Spell. Oh, Spell's coming down. Yeah, I can't answer that though. Do what's best for you. Volume came in nicely. We're still bullish over 14. That's all I can tell you. 14 down to 12, you're still bullish here. I'm in here tomorrow and there's going to be another giant candle spawning in. Yeah, because this one's got 23. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we'll come in here tomorrow and this thing's probably going to be over 2. Over the 382 here. Make sure I cover this. Yeah, it's okay. What's up, Trap Base? I've been in crypto for about 3 months. Not sure why I'm not already a millionaire. It's because crypto sucks. Some of us have been here a long time and we're still here and we're still broke. It's a short Pepe. Oh yeah, PNG we never looked at. Is she still dying? Yeah, we looked at PNG for so long holding up bullish and now she just... Oh, let's go to the correct chart. We're just gonna focus on the old Gate.io chart on PNG. Oh, she did break down. She's losing the 0.5. So the macro 23 needs to hold, but it looks like we already got a weekly close below it, so it's done. Last support is 20 on PNG, and then game over, I guess. So you're looking to drop still 8%. Any lower than that, it's probably going to come down here, hit a new low. Yeah, as long as we've been covering PNG, we kept saying as long as you're over 30, you're good. We held for so long, and then once it broke, I guess it told us it was over. No longer bullish over 31. But we said that a million times, it seems like. Oh, it's locked. We'll just leave it. It's locked. Let's see. So Maurice. Day's been okay. Just another day. Nice to see you bought in at $16.16, 750k coins. What are you talking about? What coin? Should we start the XCN watch party? Maybe. Put it on the minute chart here in a minute. Let everyone pile in and be bullish. Oh, you're talking about XCN? Bought in at 16. What are we at right now? Yeah, it's a lot funner when things are bullish and we're moving. Oh, you bought in right down here. I mean, we're still holding up. I'm still holding my position, so hopefully me buying in didn't kill it. But I bought here, and we moved up, and now we're getting all the way back down. So I haven't really made anything on it off my little bag. That's why I need another leg up, but we'll see. Doge is dipping, yeah, I would imagine. All the coins that follow Bitcoin are probably dying. Thoughts on Ponky? Wish I could buy Ponky NFTs. Anthony says the burn incentive on XCN will probably push up. They're announcing the largest update within the week. Man, I hope they do it tomorrow. Binance listing and staking coming. Thought you could already stake XCN. I thought you could do that already. New white paper, and they're developing a new blockchain on Stealth. Oh, on Binance. Okay, I gotcha. Alright, let me switch this song. Yeah, we still got 500 people in here. 438 on Twitter and 90 on YouTube. Not as much as we've been having, but it's nice. How long we been live? Hour and 20 minutes. It's not bad. Yeah, we've looked at Ponky before. And Ponky on Sol. Sol coins are dying. Yeah, we'll look at it in a minute. Let me put this on here. I gotta get out of this chair for a minute, or the stream's gonna be over very, very soon. Fighting back the pain and the tears. Yeah, I mean, the 1 minute RSI is holding up. We're back. He says buy more Toshi. Yeah, every time we look at Toshi, it just seems to be going to the moon. So every time, what is it, God comes in here and asks for Toshi, it's just up and up and up. The volume on deck screener was going through the roof. Oh, you have no intention of buying meme coins. All right. I understand. So, Clovis, any thoughts on Swift? Let me write that down. Yeah, we looked at Swift so many times. Swift and Turbo. I don't know. There's a lot of base coins starting to go, so I can't tell you to buy more Toshi or not. I'm gonna go try to find a base coin to buy. We got Maurice for 100 and okay. What is that? Oh yeah, I already read your comment. Hey man, it's how's your day? Been seeing your stream every night. Max Payne losing 45% gain today, still holding them all. Yeah, that's good, my man. I appreciate the super chat. I appreciate that a lot. But yeah, I mean, XCN on the small time frames is still bullish. Apparently they're coming out with Binance and staking and Burns, and hopefully what's his face is going to buy a bunch of coins and on Binance and stake them, and that should all make the price go up. Toshi 50% corrected today. Yeah, that's what you gotta watch out with those meme coins. Once they spike up, they can spike right back down just as quick. You gotta get in and out as quick as you can. That's why you gotta check your phone every second of the day. Oh, the community voted it down. Is that a good thing? Oh, it's Norwegian Fawn. Alright, I appreciate that. About $10. I appreciate that. Norwegian. So you're from Norway? I would love to go there someday. I'm Maurice from Norway, Norwegian. Oh, they didn't want him attached to their governance. I gotcha. Let's check Swift Coin. Yeah, we're gonna look at Swift Coin. And Collins from Scotland. Yeah, it'd be nice to visit any other country someday. Spell, yeah. See, yeah, we've covered Spell and Swift Coin so many times already. But yeah, I run them down here. We're gonna look at them. I got to get out of this chair for a minute. I'll be back in like 5 minutes, you guys, and we'll keep streaming here. What do we say? Swift and spell again. They're kind of just pulling back at the moment, not doing anything. But yeah. Let's see. Should you stock up on Swift? Oh, they just tweeted that? You gotta get people piling in, buy the rumor, sell the news type of a deal. Ellen says, I think Army XRP will be a huge coin. Is that a meme coin on XRP? Yeah, we'll see. If they did just tweet that, then that could be good. That could be a buy the rumor. Everyone's going to pile back in because they think it's going to the moon, and then we go up. All right, yeah, I'll be right back. You guys just hang out and talk. But yeah, we'll try to look at the Army coin and find it. All right, we're back. We are back. What are we looking at? XCN, Swift again. Yeah, but all these coins, Swift coin, all these Coinbase coins, we've been coming forever. Hopefully they're starting to wake up. Yeah, Swift coin, as long as you're above a 0.23, you're still bullish here on Swift. Maybe we'll get a little pullback and a little bull flag or some sort of pattern form on one of these lower time frames, but it's not happening yet. But on the weekly, I mean, she's moving. If it can stay over 23, 4 is your next stop, 4 pennies. And then almost $1 billion market cap to 10 would be 3, almost a 4x from today. Hopefully we have a bullish week. Is there any bad news or government stuff or Powell gonna open his mouth again? Bring us back down. Yeah, Spell and Swift are doing the same thing. Nice spike up, and now they're kind of selling off at the moment. And Spell, as long as you stay over, come on, 2 zeros 1, and if we pull it up to here, 1.4. We'll leave it there. As long as you're over 1.4, you're still bullish. But hopefully these things don't pull an AERO and a Vela where they made the higher high finally, and then we'd crawl all the way back down to the trend. That would suck. Let me check. Okay, caught the super chats taken care of. Yeah, we still got 400 people on Twitter and 80 on YouTube. Not bad. What's up, Harlem? He says, why is the market's going down? Bullrun is over. We'll get there eventually. At some point, it needs to go up and alt season will kick in, but not yet. So that's why we keep saying things that top out, like Spell here that made a higher high. Overall, they're still curled up on the macro, and they can easily come back down and put in the higher low. And we may not go up till spring or summertime. Let me write down that one. Army on deck screener. Well, and what else did we say? Yeah, TOSHI. TOSHI again. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like everything else is just kind of, we're like dead in the water right now. But every time we look at TOSHI, she keeps moving. She came up, hit the 1414, got stuck. And we'll just keep it simple. As long as you're over 0011, you're still bullish. And possibly the high at 308. So it could be coming back down to back test, and it's probably not going to go up for a little bit. But there's no way to tell. I think Well was another one coming down. Yeah. Well broke all our support levels that we had. And it just broke the 3-2 low to the high, you can see here. So it's doing what it did back here. It put in the higher high. Now it's time to put in the higher low, it looks like. So unless Well can get back over 45, she's probably going to crawl down. Depending on how fast it goes, the 0.5s here, 23. If it gets these and goes sideways and hits the trend, and possibly a 37% drop to 2.5 to the 618, and just simply crawl its way back down, and then go back up at some point in the future. Yeah, it's depressing when we go down like this. Well, let's see. DGen was already coming back down. Let's go real quick over to Deck Screener. Roost. Yeah, Roost is a good base play potentially. Yeah, I need to get some base plays. What were the other ones? Ski Mask Dog on base. Army. I don't think we've ever looked at an XRP coin. Is that it? There's 2 different army coins on apparently, I guess it's XRP. Is it the 3-eyed ball or the... Yeah, there's 3 different ones. The second one. We shall prevail. This thing's going to 0 right now. But could be a good spot to buy this thing. Not the automatic. Put this baby on log. Daily chart. Let's get the volume out of the way because volume sucks. How many holders does this have? It doesn't say. 39 million market cap, 2 million liquidity not locked. Number 24. If you look at this on the weekly, it's just a large triangle pattern, so that could be very bullish. But here you're coming back down to the 3-2 after previously breaking the high, back down to 4.9, or no, the 3-2 is at 6. So if you can hold 6 pennies, maybe this thing start going back up. And depending on where you want to draw this little trend at, I guess right here, spot. So this 3-2 could be it at 6. I'm gonna get a bounce. Almost 70% down from the high. You can see it's such a tiny chart. But yeah, on the weekly it looks really good. And it's going sideways, making higher highs and higher lows. So this could be the bottom. Bounce back up to 26 is going to give you a 4x from where you are. Then a 1618 retracement to 7x to 46. This thing going to $1. If it hits $1, you're doing a 20x. 19 to 20x. But we've never looked at an XRP coin. But going sideways, and like I said on the weekly, the larger time frames, it's a large triangle pattern forming. Does not look bad. down for a moment there. Let's see. Look at XPR. Yeah, XPR is bullish. Yeah, there's nothing doing anything different right now. Everything's kind of pulling back. Everything's oversold. Overbought, I mean. Oh, come on, marker. Get out of my way. It came up and got stuck at the 0.5. Let's see what's going on in the 4 hour. Oh, yeah. We looked at this last night. I believe it was last night or the night before. A little bull flag formed, and then we went up again. But ultimately, you're getting stuck. You did make a higher high, so that's good. But ultimately, on this one, off of the wick, as long as you're above, come on. Looks like 2055. You're still bullish. And if you want to go down to the hour time frame or the minute time frame. Looks like you're sitting right on the 382 right now at 6.5. So if you can hold 6.5 really short term, it's bullish. It's holding, as you can see here. But ultimately, it looks like XCN and everything else is just running at it right now. And such a large move. If it comes back all the way down and breaks back below the macro 382 and starts dropping, then the bull run is over for this thing. Like I said on XRP and all the other coins, there's no reason for these coins to have these large runs, and the top is in already. So XPR is probably going to continue to run, just like XCN. I hope we get on here tomorrow and spell and everything's going to the moon for you guys. You guys said we're pumping. Back to the top of the triangle. Well, we'll see what happens. He says it just needs to go up already. Just friggin' move up already. I know. Why can't we just have our bull run already? I haven't seen anything yet for XCN. I hope so. I hope XCN goes. All I ever ask for is a little 5 or 10x. I really wish I could have bought the bottom on XCN. We stared at it for so long at the bottom, and I didn't have the funds to buy it. And now she's going to the moon. We're bullish on something. We got over 100 people on YouTube now. All right, time to switch the song. Oh, going to the wrong thing. There we go. XCN's pushing up a little. If Turbo's still down below 5.3, then she's going to 4. Like I said, it doesn't look good, and it's still holding. She's still holding at 6.8, so this is either the bottom or it's going to 4. I mean, such a move down, it should be over. When is everyone going to stop selling already? Yeah, we looked at this already on the 3-day. Bears cross on our moving averages, and the RSI is way down here, below 50. So just had that cross and the blue's pulling away from the yellow. That tells me that the price is going to go down more. So if you're looking to get on turbo, it's more likely than not going to come down to 004. If it doesn't, so be it. The bleeding will finally stop and it can go up. But from that indicator and this RSI together, it tells me look out below number 4. Another 24% drop. But yeah, almost 2 hours in, we got more people piling in here. We're starting to come in now. XCN back over 4 cents. Old coin season. Yeah. Matty says he might buy turbo, but he's waiting. Yeah, I mean, that's all you can really do, and that's all we can really do is look at it the way we looked at it. There's no magic crystal ball to tell you where it's exactly going. You are holding the 618, but it looks like it wants to drop more. So 2 good potential buy-in spots, but I don't see it going lower than that 7864. It may wick below it, but if it goes lower, then you got a problem. Jonathan says he's up 100K on XCN. Nice, my man. It's nice to see when you guys are making money like that. Are you here? Did you buy in down at the bottom? A lot of people bought in down there at that little formation, and then look at us now. He bought Spell. Danny says he back that work. Did we cover Alien Base? No, last time we looked at Alien Base, she was doing what Turbo's doing here. Just dying. We see. Oh, this is this one. I mean, not bad. Where can you buy this? Coinbase. It's down here accumulating since 2024 summer. Needs to get over the 236 to confirm the bottom is in over 1. You can clearly see it's just trading in a large channel here. Draw the channel on the chart. Come on. Essentially, the bottom's here. Somewhere. Yeah, until it breaks out of this channel, up or down, it needs to get over the 3-2 at 1-2, and then eventually over 5. So you can finally get the price over 1.5 here, 0.5. Then you'll have this thing break into the upside. So whatever this is, if people are going to buy it, if it's low market cap on Coinbase, then that's good. Usually when coins accumulate for a long time, they have decent runs. She is moving up a little bit. So 43% move to be bullish over the 3-2, and then where's this thing running to? Guess we looked at it. So this thing, 1618 to 2009, or maybe a penny. That's where you get your 10x, 600 million market cap. Or conservative, new high 1272 at half a penny. Would be a 5.5x, and then if you're bullish and think it's going to hit $1 billion plus market cap, 2.5 pennies, would be a 28x. Bitcoin hit 101 already. Did it really? Alien Base. Right. Oh, Alien Base had a little spike. Nice to see she's still alive. Wow, it came down and broke below the previous level high at 13, and then bounced. I'll get so much on the chart here, but it's getting stuck at the 382. So it needs to get back over 19.5 to be bullish. And then looks like the bottom is confirmed in. So high to the low. But no, she's getting stuck. So bottom is not in. 16.5 you have to get over. Confirm a bottom, and like I said, you get stuck at that 3.2. Until it gets over those, it could go lower. Ever since whatever happened with the coins getting stolen, it just went down. But I guess if Alien Base is going to hit the top of the fib and hit $10 billion market cap, now you have 61x. Oh man, this coffin's getting out of control. Let's see. Stone Santa, he says 42. 42 of you haven't liked. I appreciate that. BRA, Axon Dow. Velocity. So what are you guys' plans? Hold your coins to the moon, or are you guys going to rotate out? Let me switch this song real quick. Yeah, here's another one. Well, this one had a decent run, VRA, and now she came all the way back down, but this thing happened back in November, December. But topped and it's coming all the way back down to the trend, it looks like. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous, but at the same time, it's expected because the alt season's not here. This thing's probably going to drop another 9% and hold the 786 at 2.8. Well, that could be the bottom if it holds. It's probably going to hit it and wick below it, and then it'll hold up. And then Veracity. Where's Veracity going? 6.8 retracement in a bull market, a 7x to 2 pennies, 196 million market cap, and then possibly 4. So good solid numbers here. That's what you like to see. 3 really, you could sell at a penny, 2 pennies, and then 4 pennies. 13x altogether. 400 million market cap. If you think Veracity is going to hit a 2 billion market cap, that would take you up to 25 cents. There we go. But yeah, ultimately Veracity is this on Coinbase too? What is this on? This could be another good rotation play. It's down here. It's been going sideways and accumulating for years. And if it's going to wake up and run, rotate in and get a 13x. If you're lucky, 80x. 25 cents. Gambling on Mochi, he says. Yeah, someone was saying Mochi's potentially going to get listed on Coinbase like Hoshi did. So Mochi could be a good gamble. on ABT to the moon. I'm trying to retire. I hope you do, my man. Holding up my ADHD makes me trade. Lava's going to be rotating for sure. That's what I'm going to do. Any velocity of 20x is possible, really? But yeah, any of these coins, velocity or whatever it is, I'm going to hold, and then when I get a certain number, it's going to rotate out, buy something else like velocity, something that hasn't moved. Axon Dow. HT, another one on the possible bottom, almost. So you're below the 0.5, it's just crawling its way back down to the trend it looks like after it made the higher high double top. So this one's probably still going to drop 20%. It doesn't have to. If it just keeps going sideways, it may just hit the trend. It already hit it once here. You're sitting right on the 3-2 right now. That's why it's holding. It's been holding after that wick. So if you can hold over 26, maybe you get a move back up. Because like I said, you just tagged the trend again. Depending on how you want to draw it, we could draw it here and say it's tagged it twice, wick below it. So it could be the bottom. 26 is your price. Time to move on up to a new high. 125% move to the 786 at 60. But right now you're kind of getting squeezed between the 0.5 and 382 support and the trend. So could very well be the bottom for this one right here. It should be, unless there's something going to happen and we're going to break down. But this one, 478 or $5, 1618 retracement, almost a 900 million, maybe it hits $1 billion market cap. So you may get a 16 or 7 or 18 to 20x out of this one. Might go to 1 cent. That's just what I heard. I don't know if it's getting listed on Coinbase or not, but Coinbase has been listing coins. They just listed TOSHI. I have no idea. Someone confirm is Mochi getting listed on Coinbase? Mochi, let's see here. Phoenix is rising, down 14%. Yeah, I looked at Mochi earlier. Yeah, we have the TOSHI chart over here too. This is where we've mostly been watching it. Yeah, she's stuck right now at the 2272 on this chart at 16. I don't know if it's the same on the other one. She had a huge run from when we looked at it last night. That's why I always say, hopefully you guys are taking profit on these things. Not going to go up forever. But this one could be coming to the top of the fib on this at 003. Another 80% move. But she's been moving. Mochi. I don't know. Are they getting listed? Oh, this one got stuck at the 786. Just made a higher high, so I mean, all you can do is gamble play it. If it gets listed on Coinbase, it'll probably pull a Hoshi and just continue to run. 8x, damn it. But an 8x to the 1618 at 303. But if it pulls a TOSHI and hits the 2272 and gets stuck, it's a 38x. But the way I treat these, if you're going to buy mochi and it's going to get listed, you know, just throw $50 or $100 on it. And if you're going to put thousands of dollars on these coins, they can shoot up overnight. You don't see it, and they come right back down in the same hour. And you don't make your money, you miss out on it, or you lose your money. So I wouldn't. That's just me, though. These gamble coins, I'm never going to put more than 100 on one. There's so many. One we looked at earlier, there's Benji here, spiked up. Carlo, I think, is Carlo still down? Yeah, Carlo's about to take off. Oh, Carlo held up in the pattern, and it looks like it's trying to break out here. Yeah, this is what we see a lot of. These coins, right before they break out, they're holding perfectly on support in the pattern still. So as long as you hold the 618 to 37 on Carlo, this thing may be ready. Getting ready to take off. About to do oh man. About to do an 18x. 18, almost a 19x. 100,000 holders, 3 million market cap. Yeah, it looks good. Carlo looks good here. You're in on Carlo, you need to win. Yeah, hopefully it does take off for you. What did I miss? I'm always putting bracket sales on ones I'm doing a few days a week. ACH will be the next to follow XCN. Why you say that? I don't even know what ACH does. I know it's a payment system. I think someone told me that last time, confirmed it, but yeah, we'll see. AERO got wrecked. Yeah. There's a lot of good base plays. Just need money for them. I need XCN to move already. What was the other one we looked at? Carlo, Mochi. Roost on base is another good one. Whatever happened to Blue? Did it continue to die? There's another one, Blue Foster on base, and then Bonk on base, Pepe on base. Oh yeah, Blue Foster's still down here. I'll take a stab at this one. I just need some money first. Let's see here. Yeah, Blue Foster, if it goes to a new high, has crazy returns. You're still down here doing nothing. Hopefully this is the right chart that we've been looking at. Doesn't look the greatest, coming down, making a lower low. But that's why, I mean, if you could afford it, not financial advice, and put $50 on just, 10 different base coins, or 100, whatever you can afford, you'd be surprised at what could happen, maybe. Yeah, this one just hit the 786, it bounced. So hopefully it's the bottom. It needs to get back over 2.5 to be bullish and bottom in. Or it could go lower. But regardless of all that, depending on where you buy in, where's my thing at? But it hit that final support and it bounced, so maybe that's it. And then if this thing runs up to a new high, if it goes to a 786 retracement, you're getting a 57x. And then if it shoots all the way up here, it's 1,000x. Look at that, 98x. Oh my god. I gotta say 1,000. I'm at 100x. Wait, no, that is right. That is 1,000x. Yeah, because it used to be like a 600x from over here somewhere when we looked at it. Yeah, just throw $50 on blue and pray and hope and wish. If this thing gets bought up somehow. It's only 126K market cap, low market cap. The holders have been going up. Uh, 86% of tokens already out at current market cap, 183 on the coin market cap. Working with Visa, MasterCard, Google, Apple Pay. So Joel, he says he's been converting his BTC stack into alts this month. So yeah, I think alt season is brewing. Are you an alt? Are you a Bitcoin well? Starting to pour your money into alts, hopefully. Tell everyone to follow you. Some straight crypto. Toshi looks like it's trying to creep up again. Yeah, those meme coins are volatile. You got to be careful. Like I said, like with Blue Foster here, if I ever buy anything, I buy a base coin, I'm just going to put $50 in and hold it. See what happens to it. If it goes to zero, it goes to zero. But if it 50x's, I'll be happy. And if it 1000x's, then I'll be super happy. Because if you did 1000x on 50, that's what, 50 grand? Can you imagine making 50 grand overnight? But yeah, there's so many of these coins. I need XCN to pump so I get a couple $100. Let's see what these other ones are doing. Since we're really not looking at anything, you said ACH is pumping. There's the bonk on base. There's no guarantee these are going to get bought, but I mean, they're down here in the dirt. They're base coins. I'd imagine when all the retail, when all the newbies come in and they're buying in on Coinbase and they're looking at the coins, they're going to be buying all these coins, hopefully. Oh, there's a bonk on base. Let's buy it. Or they'll buy the bonk on base thinking it's regular bonk. Yeah, I just need some Ethereum now. Yeah, this one just hit the final level. Looks like a little trend in play. Final level in. Or game over. Time to level up. Yeah, this one has 8 zeros, 4. Remember last cycle, that's what people like. They love all the zeros on the price. It has a chance to move up more, in people's opinion. Not bad. 80x. 82x on bonk on base. We just need to have a giant green candle spawn in. That's all we need. That's all we ask for. There's a Pepe, a Father Pepe, and base Pepe. Oh, this one already ran. This one's been going up since it came out. I don't know if I'd buy this one, but yeah, he gets the idea. You're up $300 on BTC short. Is BTC still dying? Oh, you're up $800. That's nice, my man. Every time I've ever shorted or long, I've lost it. It always comes down and liquidates me instantly or stops me out instantly. So I gave up on it. But yeah, I'm glad you're making money. So apparently the little support it's at 101 again. She's breaking down from her little baby triangle pattern. It's a good try. I don't want you. Get off. What are you doing? Yeah, I don't remember what we looked at. Come on. Yeah, it looks like any lower than it is now, then the triangle's going to break. Right on the 3 too. Yeah, you're right on support, just so you know. What does everyone else say? Is Bitcoin crashing down? Next up is 98. Yeah, it looks like it broke down. Alright, so the triangle pattern, I guess, is out the window. Yeah, she's breaking down. He says, what is happening? Switch to music. But it's doing what it does every week. It bounces around in between 100K up to 105 and then back down. Because I literally just put 10K on ACH. Did you really? Up $1,000 as we speak. Yeah, we'll see what happens here. I mean, it needs to hold here to stay bullish, or it's going to come all the way down to 96K probably. Yeah, hopefully you're moving your stop loss and you're taking profit. I would imagine you already know that. Move it and take your money. Says he's down 10K, work in progress. You have 10K on Brett. Jeez. Oh my God, he says, what's a stop loss? Come on, don't do that to yourself. You're going to lose all that money. All or nothing. Oh man, he says no stop loss. It's going to do what it's going to do. Oh, she's bouncing. At least take profit. Not financial advice. ACH, what's ACH doing? You guys are saying it took off on the 1 minute, or is it really taking off? Oh, she took off on the yes. Yeah, she did move. Is that because you bought 10K worth of it? No way. She's back above the 382, so you're back to being bullish over 2.5. Low to the high, 618 and bounced. So it needs to get over 2.7 right now to be short-term bullish, even though it's bullish at the moment. That's 16%. What's the monthly look like? Yeah, the monthly, if you zoom all the way out, when in doubt, zoom out, of course. ACH looks like it's gearing up to just take off. Gonna have a huge spike up. 50 cents, 18, 19x. Yeah, ACH is moving. She's back to being bullish. But if you notice here on the monthly, that monthly candle's been trying to hold the 382. Yeah, I would say not much longer. I mean, it can only play on for so long. I'll say that, but that takes you all the way until July, August, before she gets squeezed out of here. Let's see. It says go to the bank and get a loan. Yeah, I mean, ACH is yet to break out yet. I mean, it's still, let's see here. Anything to work right. You're holding monthly over the 382, so 2.5, it looks good. Short term, like I said, you're getting stuck. You're above the 382. She's pushing. Maybe she's next up. I don't know. If we go down to smaller time frames, if I can get anything to work. High to the low, you're above the double 382, so you are bullish. And yeah, so you're bullish right now over the double 382. So as long as you're over 2.5, 2.6, you're good. You're getting stuck right now at the 0.5, so got to break over 2.7 and then 3. If you break over the 618 at 3, then that pretty much confirms this move down is over and you can start moving up. So 3 to 3.4. And then, like I said, if this thing breaks over 5.5 at about 38 or 4 pennies, then she's potentially breaking out of the large triangle pattern here, and then she's going to start going to the moon. Yeah, looking on the monthly, it does not look bad at all. The 1 hour was goofy, jumping between 4.4 and 3. On ACH, he says Ort bottom. Well, in my opinion, it was a 20x. Now it's about almost an 18x in my opinion to 50 cents. I think it's going to wick above and hit 60. So still a 20x from now. And your moonshot hopium would be 86.8 billion market cap and a 28x. Yeah, she's going to the moon on the 1 hour. Yeah, when's the last time it had a large candle like that on the 1 hour? Why are you not scrolling? Yeah, decent move up on ACH at the moment. What's XCN doing? Nothing. That was everyone at 40-cent sell orders. Been holding forever. Orc bottom. I don't know, did it? Oh, she's wicking down below. No telling if the bottom is in on this. We did the same thing for what? VVA, and she just kept breaking down. If we draw the trend here to the candles, to the wick, and this thing's coming all the way back down. You're down below the 786 and possibly another 12% drop. Yeah, this thing's still coming down. There's no bottom yet. Pretty much you got to hold over 7. It doesn't broke down below. Daily, 3-day, weekly, all closed below. Yeah, I can't even look at that. He wants XCN to drop to put his profits from BTC back in. How many people got in here? Oh, we're still holding up with a bunch of people. Damn, I almost ended the live stream. What are we looking at here? What is XCN doing? Is my money going? Is my money evaporating? Oh, come on. Oh, we're up 4%. Yeah, it looks like we're forming another triangle pattern here, so that's good to see. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Yeah, how long did we live stream last night? Let me go look at the poll. When we got off the live stream last night, that thing had 3,000 views already. Couldn't believe my eyes. I'm gonna have to get out of this chair again. It's killing my back. Let's see. Oh, come on. Spell. Come on. This thing's taking too long. Come on. It's all season starting. 70% of you say yes. You put 10K just now on ACH. Did you really? You guys got some money to play around with, huh? I guess we'll see what tomorrow brings. Even though ACH is moving, what am I typing in? AMP. Someone said AMP. AMP is coming back down. Yeah, AMP's trying to hold support at the 3.2 to stay bullish here, but it did just make a lower high. Come on. I mean, at some point, AMP's going to run, but it doesn't look like it's anytime soon. But it could very well hold and go. We never know. As long as you're over 7.8, you're trying to hold supports, and yeah, you're holding the double 3.82. So low to the high, 3.82 down here. You see these candles are holding. So pretty much 6.7 up to 7.8, so it is bullish right now. It's not bullish macro-wise, but short-term holding. And I guess macro is 3.2, you get the idea. But lower high here doesn't look good. But it doesn't look bad at all in the monthly. Big old double bottom W pattern, higher low. So these things I think are getting ready to take off in any moment. Even though we look at smaller time frames, when we zoom out, it just looks like everything's ready for 2025. We need all season kicking already. We need these to move already. But regardless, where's this thing going? Where's AMP going? I have no idea if people are going to buy this. AMP to 7.86 retracement to 4.5, 5 pennies, 2 billion market cap for 6x. And then maybe we get a slightly higher high to 20 cents. 25x. And your moonshot up to 41. I don't think AMP's going to do that, but that would be a 33 billion market cap, 51x. Where did ACH go? Yeah, she's up 26% now. Yeah, she may be headed back up to 3.4 here. It depends on most. Or 3.8, I don't want to say 3.4. Oh, good lord. Yeah, 2.7 and then 3. It needs to get over the 6.18 for any kind of a breakout. Mobile, what is mobile doing? Helium Mobile, someone said they're not supported by HMT anymore. Yeah, Helium Mobile is potentially on the bottom. Well, it needs to go up from here. Down below the macro 236, just below the 786 here, so this has to be the bottom. Like we always say, depends on where you want to draw your trend at. You could tell us it's going a little lower, all the way down. But it looks to be holding up by the trend. It needs to get back over 7.9. The bottom to be in here. Any lower, then it's going to break down. What's up, Metal, my man? How you doing? He got 5 million Jasmine now. He had 3 million. He's up in his game. Yeah, you're gonna make it. If you're still holding XCN and you got Jasmine now, you're gonna make it. You're already making it. Yeah, if Jasmine goes to $1, you're gonna have $5 million. Jeez. I would be happy with $100,000 this cycle or less. I'd be happy with 10K at this point. Yeah, glad you made a lot of money on XCN. That's nice. That's how you do it, and then you rotate into Jasmine. Got 5 million Jasmine now. Let's go. Oh. Needs ACH that pump and dump, or is it for real this time? There's no telling. If the volume comes in, it's for real, I guess, but I don't think there's volume spiking in yet. Like, big time. Woke up this morning, your portfolio was on 428,000. Nice. Yeah, metal's making it. I just need XCN to do one little pump for me. Let's change the music. Yeah, I don't know how much longer we're going to be live. We're coming up on 3 hours already. What was it? ACS. Oh, she's up 1%. She's trying to leave without me. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Let's see. It just is normal price action. What does ASI sender mean? What does that mean? I already read that. Bro, don't tell HMRC that. Who's that? HMRC is British for bro. Yeah, I agree. We need XCN to wake up again. Like we said, it looks to be holding up still. So boring times until it moves. What time is it? We got Declan Wyatt in the house. Appreciate that, my man. Hit the like button. Yeah, everyone hit the like button because it's probably about to end. Oh yeah, someone sent me $50 on Cash App last night in the live stream. I can't remember who it was, but someone did. So if you're in here and you Cash App me, I appreciate it. I just remembered about that. It was nice to see when I opened it up. Oh, IRS in Britain. Okay, I gotcha. Yeah, the IRS sucks everywhere. He does teach me metal. I'm from the UK. Yeah, metal detecting's been on the channel for a long, long time. It's been around forever, and every time over the last year, it's been coming in here. Bullish as can be on XCN, and now he got his day, so I'm happy for him. After all this time, he was right. Yeah, what is ASI? I know ASI, you're talking about FET. Are you talking about the FET coin? What are we looking at? Yeah, ACS, Access Protocol. What is AI Tech doing? Oh, yeah, AI Tech broke down. Yeah, it just came all the way back down to the low. Yeah, I don't know. These old coins are moving and bullish. Maybe the plays are Litecoin and ACH and all these older coins, Ethereum Classic. These new coins seem to be just dying. Cardano's still holding up bullish, not bad. All right, so move this once more. All right, we got that fixed. AIT protocol, I think that one was breaking down too, wasn't it? I mean, it's just another protocol coin. The only reason I like coins, most of you guys already know, is because of the charts. And I've been proven time and time again with XCN and Algo and whatever else is out there that these charts down and sideways is where that's at. Yeah, this looks like Vara, just going down to the abyss. Going down into, dipping down into the shadow realm to suck more people in. Yeah, I just made a new low, so it's trying to hold. So maybe this is it, maybe it's not. I don't know if AIT protocol is going to perform at all. But as of right now, there's no bottom because you're down below the 236. You just made a new low. You broke the low, the previous low. So until you get over 5, there's no bottom. That's what I would simply say. But if you're going to take a gamble and you say this is the bottom, maybe it is. Has to get over 5 and then 6. Bottom in and to be bullish again. Let's see. I got TOSHI and Cardano. program are you using? TradingView. That's what you mean. StreamYard and TradingView. ACH is volatile. Yeah. What's Cardano's Coinbase acronym? I don't know what that means. Talking about the ticker, it's ADA. ADA. The ticker is ADA. Rip my 1K. Oh, you're the one that asked about AIT protocol. Yeah. He says short BTC, easy money. I wish it was that easy. Every time I've ever shorted a BTC, it just takes my money and runs. She's still holding the 382. Oh. You're on the pull flag, holding the low to the high 382. The end of the pattern. Tomorrow will be going to the moon. I was talking about Lambos for and Lambo. Yeah, I agree. XCN one more time. Because, yeah, we're about to end this, so you guys say your final goodbyes. Getting out of the shadow round tomorrow. Hopefully we're pumping tomorrow. I'll be happy tomorrow if XCN pumps some more. Bought in here and not much of a pump, and we're still just in the same spot. But ultimately, we'll see tomorrow if this triangle pattern is going to hold up and we shoot out of here. Next big price is 4.7 and then a 5.7. But we're still holding up at the moment, so we'll see how it plays out. Yeah, we'll come on here tomorrow. You guys will be telling me Toshi went up again. It does it every time. And hopefully that Mochi coin goes up. He says hopefully XCN pumps to 7 cents. That would be nice. That would make my day. But yeah, I appreciate you guys on Twitter over there. Almost 500 people on Twitter. I appreciate that. Hit the like button over there. Everyone here, hit the like button on your way out. And we'll be back at it again tomorrow. If you want to, go check out the videos on the channel. They're pretty all still much relevant, besides a couple. I think some things pumped after the fact. If ACH is still pumping tomorrow, I'll have to do a video on that, if not tonight. But yeah, I appreciate you guys. What's up, Lady Tree, hiding in the shadows? Thanks for all you do. I appreciate that. Let me make sure I cover the super chats before I get out of here. All right, we're good. Yeah, with that said, hopefully you guys have a good night, good day, wherever you are. None of this is financial advice. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, everyone. Oh, last minute, hope you. You got Joe. Jonathan became a member. I appreciate that, my man. Spread the word. Let's get all 11,000 subscribers to subscribe for 1 month. But yeah, appreciate that, my man. And with that being said, Peace out, everyone.